Take a really close look at this car. This is a stunning restoration. This is a 1974 Corvette. First year for both urethane bumpers. This is a 454 big block car, automatic, air conditioning. This thing has got it all going on. This is not a stock 454. It has been built. It has Edelbrock aluminum heads. I would imagine some sort of mild cam. This thing runs really, really strong, and it is a lot of fun. It's in a lovely, kind of very vibrant blue color. This is just a stunning color on this car. Love the look of it with the chrome on the wheels and the cargo rack. This thing is just a ton of fun. It does have an extra tall cowl hood with the 454 call out. This thing is just beautiful. So I'm gonna hop in and fire it up for you. And the block on this car, I believe, is numbers matching. I'll have a picture of the VIN stamp on the block on the website. I don't want to swear to it right now just because I can't remember, but check out our website and you'll find a picture of that there. I believe it is a numbers matching block, which is really cool that they took the original block and then built it up with the aluminum heads, cam, intake, that type of thing, which you'll see when I open the hood. Awesome sounding exhaust. I mean, this is a real muscle car right here. Just listen to that engine purr. Very nice restored interior. Got your 454 call out there. Seats are in excellent condition. Does have tilt and telescopic steering. We do not have a horn. Headlights there. I can't see the other one over the hood. Yep, they're both popped up and they both go down really nice and easy. Got your wipers, work nice as expected. And the air conditioning in this car works really well, so I'm going to turn it on. It's a hot day out here in Denver, Colorado. Oh yeah, that's nice. Of course, it does have power windows. Power windows work really good. Aftermarket single den stereo here. Looks like when you plug in your USB for your phone, that type of thing, if you want to listen to your own music. Turn it off. It's AC starting to blow nice and cool. AC will close nice and strong. Door closes nice and solid. Alright, check out this engine bay. This is the heart of the car right here. There you have it. There's your 454 cubic inch big block Chevrolet engine. It's got a really nice set of large headers on it. Obviously, it's got the aluminum heads, aluminum intake. You can see on our AC compressor over there, it is engaged. I'm going to turn it off now. And it looks like it's still engaged. That might just be that way that compressor works. It's a nice new compressor. Super tidy engine bay, super show worthy. Got a nice Heavy duty aluminum radiator. That's a big plus on this car with a big block. Keeps this thing running. Really, really nice and cool. All right, I'm gonna close the hood. Paint and body work is just excellent. Front end here. For an aftermarket hood, this hood fits really nice. You can see the gaps are very good on it. It's a little wider on the driver's side than it is the passenger side, but overall it is pretty close. Front here, nice shape. There's one small little crack right there. Not a whole lot to pick out on this car. Love the C3 dash. It has such a cockpit feel to it. Very fun sitting behind the wheel on this car with that cowl tag, that cowl hood sticking up in front of you with that screaming big block. It is just a blast. Doors shut nice. Obviously it has power steering, power 4-wheel disc brakes, power windows, tilt, telescopic, cargo rack, factory AC with R134A. And now I'll give you a minute just to listen to this exhaust. Just a awesome sounding exhaust, just like you'd expect for a big block built to this caliber. This is probably the biggest imperfection on the whole car. On the driver door here, around the key lock, you can see there's a couple little fiberglass cracks. Nothing too crazy, but keep in mind those are there. If you're interested in this 1974 Chevrolet Corvette 454 big block with aluminum heads and a cam, this thing is a running machine. Please scroll down. There is a link in the description. Take you right to our website. Yeah, there you can find 80+ high resolution pictures, including pictures of the undercarriage, and you see how neat and clean it is under there. Keep in mind this was a frame off restoration, frame off. There are the chassis and the body was separated and redone, and it is in just excellent shape. Very nice restoration. If you have any more questions or you'd like to know the asking price, please go to the website. Don't hesitate to give us a call. That's carsrememberwhen.com. We'd be happy to answer any additional questions you have. And thanks for watching.